Mahalo love. You want the coffee or the bottled water? Just give me the water bottle. Oh, bring the bottled water for Uncle. Yep. Kopi. No, give your dad. Give Uncle. Give your dad first. Give Uncle first. Give your dad the water. Give your dad the water. You may break your mouth. Give Uncle. Habis fang boleh kemana? Give us you. Give Uncle the bottle. This is